So welcome to the Isle of Wight Radio office and a gift from Nespresso.
Nespresso!
Oh,
Can I open it, please?
Yeah, you're going to do the official opening.
Look at these tiny scissors. Oh look, it's
That's quality plastic. That's
I almost don't want
on your hand.
Oh, that's milk. That's just to remind me that I need milk later on for my child. To feed my child. Yeah.
Okay, so what
hang
have we
on.
got?
Oh look, what's this? What's this? Hang on. Oh look.
Wow, does it
this
use
is
that?
thing. Oh.
There's
hang
a
on
mobile app.
Okay.
Right,
what is this bit? Hang on. How do we get into this bit? I'm making a right
that's a multi-box.
Here we go. Oh, it's a bit of a toughie. Hang on. Oh look! Oh no, wait. Hang on.
Is that coffee?
Yeah, I think it actually is.
No, don't open that. It pulls out.
What do you mean?
Lift it up. No.
No, but
Yeah.
but I just thought we'd look at the.
Is that full of coffee?
Yeah, I was going to actually pull one of these out. Look. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh my goodness.
Look, what's this one? This is an arpeggio. Arpeggio.
I thought that was an Italian motorcycle.
So did I.
Yeah.
Look.
There we go.
Dulceo. A rosabaya. Let's get to the
let's get to the
real deal in here.
To the big boy. 19 bar. I don't know what that means.
What does that mean?
Manual clean system.
Oh,
Look at this.
goodness me. Check this right out. And we like it.
This is exciting. Your fresh coffee.
Now this looks amazing.
There's more coffee there.
Hang on.
We're going to be
Hang on a minute. I need a decaf.
Have they got decaf?
Please check if they've got a decaf. I need a decaf.
Yeah, decaffeinato.
Right, they're mine.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure that's the exact way
Is that actually really how you are?
No, this is that. Asparagus decaffeinato.
Oh, look.
That is a beautiful...
A machine. A beautiful piece of equipment.
That's not a machine, that's art.
Right, I'm guessing this bit.
You can't really see anything because of your hair.
I'm so sorry. Now, I don't want to put that in yet.
I think you have to open the flap before you put it in. There we go.
Look, this is where you put the thingies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, we'll get it all set up.
Oh, come on, let's get it plugged in.
And we'll get it all going,
Hey,
shall
look
we?
how pretty it looks.
It's very nice. In the kitchen.
A beautiful kitchen. Look at it.
This is the home of the new Nespresso machine. You have to. I'm just going to go outside.
What are you doing?
Because there's a helicopter. There's a helicopter flying over somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it's very, very loud. It's somewhere over there. Anyway, back to the kitchen. Hello, it's Emily.
Oh, look. There she is.
This is how it's going to work. This is the machine. We have powered it up. We have lights on here.
There's lights.
And we've put some water in the back here. But we need to put milk in it. So
but you know, first of all, you said that, I wasn't allowed to do it without any instructions. I had to work it out myself. Now, I like to think that I'm mildly intelligent. So let's see what happens.
Okay, so
apparently,
this is...
I can't pick it up.
What?
Dodgy hand, isn't it? Hang on, here we go. Right, now I reckon... Do you think... Oh look, Max, it's got a Max line. See, look how I, checked that out before I did it. There we go. There we go. Should this be full?
No. I don't think it needs to be
No!
Don't think it needs to be full.
No, as in full cream.
Oh no, it can be semi-skimmed.
It can be semi-skimmed.
Semi-skimmed.
It can be semi-skimmed. Right, now, probably the best thing would have been to... There we go. Right, okay, here we go. Right, I'm going to put this in here. Right, so now you have to choose your coffee. What one? Oh, can't have that one. What one would you like?
Just pick these up off of the floor.
Right, what would you like?
I
quite like the idea of a Vivelto Lungo.
Yeah, let's have a Vivelto Lungo. It's
a bluey. Let's get him out. There he is. Was he dark blue or is he light blue?
Light blue.
There he is. Right, so without any. Oh, look, it's got a shape for it. Here we go. That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, close it down.
Oh, that's quite satisfying.
Now, which button do you press at the top?
So I think, first of all, you've got to choose your cup size. We've got quite a large one, really. It's not a nice little coffee cup, is it?
No.
Should we go for this bad boy?
Which one?
This one?
Is that? I don't know. Is that?
You told me to do this without instructions.
Is that the biggest one? Yeah, it probably is, isn't it? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Try it.
Oh!
Smells amazing.
Yeah, it does smell amazing. Okay, now I think you add some milk, and then it might do an extra bit of something, and then we put milk on top, an extra bit of something.
I have no
Do you like
idea.
how technical that was? Should we go for that?
Whichever one you want.
Whichever
one you want.
Whichever one you like.
Oh. This is very impressive.
It is, isn't it? Oh, that's brilliant.
Oh, stop now.
Yeah, does it do itself? I'm just going to press it again. Check that out.
That is impressive.
Right, have you got any chocolates put on top?
No. No.
Well, that's a bit of a disappointment, isn't it? Right, here we go. So I feel like you need to try this.
Okay. That is a really good cup of coffee.
Oh, keep going. Oh, lovely.
That is that's stunning. No, seriously.
That is stunning.
That is lovely.
So every morning for the breakfast show,
Yeah.
that's what's going to happen.
Yeah. Thank you very much to Nespresso.